Hello, I'm Leila Watson. I was the president of the Birmingham Bar Association in 2017. I wanted to speak about a couple of things that we did that I thought were very important to, not just to me, but to all members of the bar. The first is what I call gathering for good and better. We created, outside of bar CLE programs and section events, we created more than 24 opportunities for the members of our bar to come and meet with each other, meet at the courthouse, at breakfast with the judges, meet in our courtyard for cocktail parties, meet at the picnic and the annual party, meet at the ball field. Issue became, instead of racism and segregation, we moved into implicit bias as being one of our problems with diversity, or being one of the reasons that we have lack of diversity in the legal profession. We brought panelists in who have studied implicit bias. We brought them in to help us analyze the issue. We encourage people to take the implicit bias test and to talk about their results. The results, my result was very surprising to me, but it was a platform on which we were able to step off and engage all of our members in this discussion. The committee this year, the diversity committee this year, is going to continue those dialogues and continue the process of bringing us as a profession as a whole forward.
I'm Callahan. I'm the entertainment chair of the Birmingham Bar Association. I want to speak about the Birmingham Bar Association annual picnic, which is always held the second Friday in June, when members of the bar can get together, socialize, take their ties off, roll up their shirt sleeves, and talk about things other than what we do day to day.
Hey, I'm Steve Guzet. I'm the immediate past chair of the solo section of the Birmingham Bar. We are one of the largest sections of the bar and have over 300 members. We're a very active committee. We do lots of charitable events. We put on 12 CLEs each year here at the Birmingham Bar Association Center, which are catered and feature great speakers. And the cost to join our organization is only $30, so it's the best $30 you could spend because you get all of your CLEs taken care of with just $30 and great events throughout the year.
My name is Kim Bell, and I'm an attorney at Balch & Bingham. I also serve on the Birmingham Bar Association's Diversity and Inclusivity Committee, and it's been my great honor and pleasure to serve on that committee. It's really important to me, the future of law, and that it's diverse. I'm a diverse lawyer, and I want more diverse lawyers. And it was really great to be a part of that and to see, and talk about, as future millennials and different ones coming in, what the future of the bar needs to look like.
So my name is Cedrick Coleman. I sit on the executive committee for the Birmingham Bar Association, as well as I serve as the current chair of the solo small firm and chair-elect of the ADR section. Another fun event that the Bar Association has done in the past is co-host a day at the night at the Barons game. It allowed us to mingle, interact in a nice, casual manner, and just have a good time while watching baseball in a slow-paced environment.
I'm Pooja Chawla. I am the current committee chair for the Birmingham Bar's new Lawyers Mentoring Program. This program has been in place for 4 years. It provides new law students who have recently passed the bar to transition into the practice of law. It is a one-year commitment and is a great opportunity for them to learn more about professionalism and ethical conduct. It is very important for the new lawyers who are transitioning into the practice of law to be involved with the Bar Association itself, because the Bar Association is what helps them grow.
Joe Boohacker, presiding circuit judge, 10th Judicial Circuit. So Coffee with the Judges. Coffee with the Judges was instituted under presiding Judge Wayne Thorne. Oh, it's been about 25 years ago, I think. And he did that because, and it was a good program, because prior to that, we used to have a wonderful thing in Jefferson County called Motion Day. And everyone would go to the motion docket, which took place in the ceremonial courtroom. And there the lawyers could meet each other and socialize while they were waiting on their case to be called by Judge Huey or Judge Bryan, and we could take care of business that way. The dockets only work when we have good communication between the lawyers, plaintiff and defense, so that they can resolve their cases. And the more forms we can create, where the lawyers can actually meet each other, eye to eye, know each other in a social setting. That fluidity helps us move the dockets along the way.
Hi, my name is Maridi Huggins. I'm chair of this year's Future Leaders Forum. Future Leaders Forum is a wonderful annual program that is sponsored by the Birmingham Bar Association, in which lawyers between 3 to 8 years of practice come together to learn more about the city in which they practice and develop relationships along the way. Each class attends 6 monthly sessions from July to December, and in each session, a specific topic is discussed. The sessions cover a variety of topics from Birmingham's rich civil rights history to the incredible cultural offerings through the arts around the city to the state of Birmingham's educational system. Future Leaders Forum is truly a wonderful program, and I would know because I'm a past participant. We are excited about this year's class and look forward to the Birmingham Bar Association continuing this wonderful program for years to come.
My name is Alicia Jett, and I am the chair of the Community Education Committee. Our mission is to educate the community about the law and the court system. Each year we host an annual Law Day luncheon, which is May 1st. In addition, we also help the Birmingham Bar Foundation with the annual oral arguments. The appellate courts come to Samford University and host oral arguments in front of high school students. The Community Education Committee goes to the local high schools and teaches them about the court system and the cases that they will hear and appropriate courtroom etiquette. Overall, our goal is to help the bar and the lawyers in the community reach out to local citizens and teach them about the court system.
I'm Teresa Pulliam, a circuit judge here in Jefferson County, and I have the honor this year of serving as the Birmingham Bar Foundation president. The Birmingham Bar Foundation encourages and unifies the philanthropic and the educational efforts of the Birmingham Bar Association for the betterment of our community and for the promotion of justice. For nearly 25 years, the foundation has committed to grants for nonprofit organizations and serving the community through charitable efforts and projects. We currently participate in programs such as mock trials and mediation training in our schools, and have the Resolve to Solve program that benefits a lot of high schools in the area. It's been very well received. Attorneys truly believe in the importance of giving, and it's because of this and the support of the Birmingham legal community that the foundation can support and serve the public.
My name is Jay Wright. I'm an attorney at Bradley Arant here in town, and in 2017 I served as the president of the Birmingham Bar Association's Young Lawyers section. In 2017, the Young Lawyers section of the YLS had a number of great events. We did a lot of things for our membership that we're really proud of and that I want to talk about today. First and foremost, I think of the YLS as being sort of one of the more social of the sections in the Birmingham Bar. To that end, we had 10 social events at a number of places around town, from right here in the Bar Center over to Regents Field and at a number of other local restaurants and establishments around town. Another important thing that the YLS does for its members is provide free CLE hours. And last year, the chair of our CLE committee, J.D. Lloyd, put together 6 hours of CLE programming. We had 2 CLEs throughout the year that included 6 hours of CLE programming as well as an ethics component. All that was free to our members. It's a service that we provide, and a lot of hard work goes into that.
My name is Andrew Nix. I currently serve on the executive committee of the Birmingham Bar Association, but also had the good fortune of serving as president of the board of directors of Volunteer Lawyers Birmingham last year in 2017. 2017 was a great year for the VLB. We had more lawyers volunteer, we served more clients, and introduced more programs than we have ever had before. We have 4 primary initiatives through the VLB and focus on making our clients' lives better through providing services in these 4 areas. One is providing legal services related to safe housing, one related to safe finances, one related to safe families, and one related to serving veterans. Last year in 2017, we served over 3,000 clients and had 500 lawyers in Birmingham, more than 500 volunteer to serve those clients. We serve clients primarily through 20 help desks that we have every month, and then provide extended representation to clients who need our services beyond those help desk services. So it was a fantastic year for 2017. We look forward to continuing to grow the program. We could not do what we do without the support of the lawyers and law firms of the Birmingham Bar. So we very much appreciate that and look forward to continuing to provide access to justice to those who cannot do it on their own.
My name is Leigh Forstman, and I had the honor of serving the Birmingham Bar Association as chair of the Women Lawyers section in 2017. I'd like to tell you just a little bit about the Women Lawyers section. We are nearly 400 members strong, and we serve throughout the year in various capacities. So the Women Lawyers section provides a tremendous camaraderie. It is a safe place for discussion and for the ability to learn how to move forward in our careers, no matter where we are. I am 28 years in my career, and I still love to learn from those who are further along the path than I am. So it was an honor to serve as chair of the Women Lawyers section. We supported, through sponsorships, the Birmingham Bar Foundation, the Birmingham Bar Volunteer Lawyers Program, and the YWCA. So we hope that we served our membership well and offered them a complete path to fulfillment in their practice of law.
Hello, I'm Alan Rogers. I'm the president of the Birmingham Bar Association, and my term is from December of 2017, last year, until early December this year in 2018. It's good to be with the Bar Association. It's good to enjoy all of the fellow members of the Birmingham Bar. As we ended 17, we lost our executive director, Bo Landrum, who unfortunately passed away. And we transitioned into a new executive director with Jennifer Bittner. And that process took us several months at the end of 2017. And we found Jennifer in a pool of applicants for the job. And she started as executive director of the Birmingham Bar in 2018, in January, in fact. And we've had so much work to do. Jennifer has been busy, busy, busy. We've got an agenda this year. These are our three themes: inclusion and respect for everyone. Second, the changing demographics of the bar and how our bar has become a much younger bar with the baby boomer generation approaching retirement and being in retirement. And finally, the rule of law. The rule of law is something that supersedes all politics, all points of view. The rule of law keeps us stable as a society. And we follow those themes all through this year. We have much to do in the remainder of the year. We've got our bar picnic coming up. We've got numerous committees meeting. We've got sections meeting and doing their work. We'll have the annual meeting in December, and I look forward to the rest of the year.